Good morning, all of you. How are you? Okay. In this class, today I am going to explain about prism. Do you know what is the prism? A prism is a homogeneous transparent medium such as glass bounded by two plane surfaces inclined to each other at an angle. Okay? When we draw boundary of the prism, then it appears in the form of triangle. Suppose it is a prism. The face AB and AC are called refracting faces and angle A is called angle of prism. It is also known as refracting angle. Okay? Here I am telling to you what is angle of deviation, which is formed in prism. Okay? Suppose this is the incident ray, which is incident at point Q, and prism is placed in air, and the refractive index of the air is mu1 and refractive index of the glass is mu. Air is rarer than prism because it is made up of glass. Okay? Then it bends towards the normal. Here N1 is normal at point Q and N2 is the normal at point R. After refraction from the first phase of the prism, the ray of light bends towards the normal and goes towards the QR. And again it refracted. Now in this case, it goes from denser medium to the rarer medium. Okay? That means it bends away from the normal. That means in the case of prism, two times refraction is happened, and two times refracted ray is known as emergent ray. Okay? And the angle between normal and emergent ray is known as angle of emergence. Here angle E is called angle of emergence. Okay? When we made both incident ray and emergent ray, then they are meet each other at point M, where an angle is formed which is denoted by delta, okay, which is called angle of deviation. Delta is called angle of deviation. What is angle of deviation? The angle formed between incident ray and the emergent ray is called angle of deviation. Angle of deviation, that means angle delta is equal to angle of deviation. Okay? We can find the formula of angle of deviation. Okay, but it is derivation of formula of angle of deviation is out of your syllabus. So I only tell to you what is the value of angle of deviation. Okay, angle of deviation is related to the refractive index of the prism and angle of prism. Okay, angle of prism, like that. Angle of deviation delta is equal to mu minus 1 into A. This is the formula of angle of deviation. In your syllabus, some numericals or Hot's numericals are also based on this formula. Okay, on the basis of this formula you can experimentally find out the angle of deviation or refractive index or angle of prism. Okay, where delta is equal to angle of deviation, mu is equal to refractive index of the prism, A is equal to prism angle. But how you verify the value of angle of deviation? For it you have to use prism formula. Anyone can tell me what is prism formula? No, I tell. Okay, prism formula. Prism formula. Okay, prism formula is determined or derived in the case of minimum deviation. That implies mu is equal to sine A plus delta m by 2 upon sine A upon 2. This is the prism formula. Okay, this is the prism formula. It is derived in other higher classes. Okay, but you have to remember both the formulae. Okay, what is angle of emergent is called angle of emergence. That means angle between emergent ray and the normal is called angle of emergence, and angle between the normal and incident ray is called angle of incidence. Like that, angle between normal and refracted ray, in this case QR is the refracted ray, is called angle of refraction. Okay, so what is the relation between angle of deviation and refractive index? This relation is denoted by delta is equal to mu minus 1 into A. Now in the next class I solve some numerical problems based on the angle of deviation. Till thank you, have a nice day.